Hi viewers, welcome back. In this short tutorial, I am going to show you a simple chart technique, line chart and column charts, which you can make without going into charts and applying all those details. For example, we have this data by month wise, and I want a line or a bar chart here to show me the month wise progress. So just for that, you can develop such type of charts and you can play and edit this chart, show the high point, negative points, the progress, low points, the markers, and you can use it in different ways. Select your data, go to insert, and here in the insert you have this line, column and win loss. Just select any one of them, then you can change them. Line. Here it asks me about the range, so that I have already selected. The location where you want this chart, so I want it here against every month. Okay, you see here you have a chart, a line chart. Now you can play with its colors if you want to change these colors. So there are multiple options here. If you want to use the columns one, so you can change it to the columns one. If you want to win loss, to use the win loss, so you can change it to this win and loss. And here you will see now how you can play with it. For example, you have this line chart and here you want the high points to be highlighted. So you can highlight them. And when you click away from this table, so you won't see that tab. But when you click here you will have this spark line tab. Click it and then you can apply different criteria. You want to see high point, low points, so these are your low points, negative points if you want. Now if you want to change the colors of these high points, low points and negative points, so just come here, marker color. In this, for the negative points, which type of color you want? Red one. Now come here, high points. For high points, which type of color you want? I want the green one. Now come again here, for the low points, which type of color you want? I want the yellow one. For the first point, for the last point, you can apply these different types of color. The spark line color, the line color, if you want to change, so you can change it from here. It's blue now. If you want another color like this one, so you can change its color from into different ways. Now if you want it in the columns, so it's in the columns. Now you can see this January is the lowest one, so it's not that much visible. You can change these colors from here also. If you want this win loss, so win loss, for win loss you can apply different types of colors, and in this win loss also you can apply then different types of colors to the high points. For example, if you say that the high point should be green, so now you see wherever you have a high point, so that is green. If you want that the low point should be red, so these are the low points which are red now. And if you want some other changes to the last point, the negative points if there are, so you can apply different types of colors. And here you will see in the same table, in a separate column, the complete table and along with the graphs and charts to visualize your data. Now if you want to edit your line chart, so just select it, come here, edit group location. Now here you have the data range. This is the location range. Now here the data range you can change. If you just want the Feb and March, so just select Feb and March and OK. So now you will see only 2 months. If you want to make it to only 1 month, the last one, so just select only the last month. Click here in the data range and just select the last month and OK. So you will have only the last month. And hidden and empty cells. For example, if you need to hide these 2 rows, so when you hide them, so here also the chart won't show you those information. If you want that even the hidden column should also be visible, so then just go to the spark line, edit points, and here hidden and empty cell, click and say show data and hidden rows and columns and OK. So now you will see even if the rows or the columns are hidden, you will see the graphs against those columns and rows. And you can also use in this insert, there are not only these lines and columns and win-loss charts, you can use these slicer and timelines also without any pivot table. For example, you have a summary table here, so you can use these two, but for these two you need to convert your database or your table to a table format. For example, let me show you how you can do that. Select your table, press Ctrl T. Now here you see after Control T, it says create table. My table has header. Yes, my table has header, and OK. So you will see that in the table format. When you select that, then you will have this table design tab, a separate tab for table design. So now you can apply in the insert this slicer and timeline. If there are dates, exact dates, then you can use timeline also. If there are no dates, just months, etc., and other columns, so you can use slicers. When you click slicer, so here you have all the headers of the columns which are in your tables. On which column you want the slicer. For example, if I want on the month one, and OK, so here you will have this type of slicer. Now if you just want to see only January 2022, so only that is filtered. If you want December, if you want any month, you click, so that would be changed to that. If you want 2-3 months, so select 2-3 months, so now you see those 3 months, unfilter it. If you want just this month and this month, so then click this one, and with control click this one also. So here you see those two. So you can select 4 months, 3 months, the last months, these 3 months, or only these 3 months. So whichever selection you have, it would give you that information, and you can then remove also that. So it was a basic short tutorial just to show you the use of slicers. So that slicer you can apply on any columns that you want. And for that you just need to go to insert and click this slicer, and it gives you all your column, whichever column you want to slicer, so just click it. If you have dates also, so then it would give you this timeline one also. And then in timeline one, then you can even select a specific 1 or 2 or 3 dates. If you like this tutorial, like the video, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. If you visit my channel, if you want to learn Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, Access, MS Word and Mail merge, then other tricks of the Microsoft Excel and other softwares, other learning tips, how to prepare yourself for interviews, these other playlist of learning online data collection, KOBO, MS Form, Google Form for collecting online data, data analytics, project management series is there is a playlist for MS Excel, beginners also, Windows, and all these playlists, single playlists are also available. So you can benefit from all these sessions, which are free of cost, and you just open it and watch them and learn and improve your productivity. There are these beautifully designed PowerPoint presentations, how to make these PowerPoint presentation, and every video has a detailed step-by-step tutorial. So visit my channel, subscribe, like and share and comment. Comment is very important for me, because if you comment a video, so I can improve these videos more. Whatever question you have, so you can ask, and this will be good for the channel also, and learn and improve your product. Thank you.